Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we work with method channel to Flutter and connect Swift to Flutter. Now we open iOS, runner, app delegate.swift and update this file. We create battery level and create battery indicator. Now we write UI device dot current, then we write is battery monitoring enabled, true. Now we write let controller, then we write window root view controller write Flutter view controller, and we add type variable Flutter view controller. Then we create channel. We write let battery channel and write Flutter method channel write name, write Flutter, write battery, then we write binary messenger, write controller and dot binary messenger. Now we create variable battery level, write var, write battery level float, then we write UI device, write current dot battery level, and we write battery channel dot set method call handler, write call Flutter method call, write result, escaping, write Flutter result, write void in, if call dot method get battery level, write result, write battery level, and write return at return. Save. Now we open main.dart and create method channel. Write init state and remove information. Write widget center, save, remove comments. We write init async, write const mc, write method channel, write name Flutter battery, and we write variable battery level, write await, and write mc dot invoke method, and we add get battery level, as type double, 100, type to int, and we write set state, and we add init to init state. Save. Now we create battery indicator. We create file battery indicator .dart, create class battery indicator, write extends, write status widget, and add method build, add constructor, add final int battery level, add to constructor. Then we create function color indicator battery, write color indicator battery, write int value, then we write color, result, write colors dot white, then we write if, write value more 90, write result colors dot green, then we write else if value more 50, write result colors green dot shade 300, then we write else if value more 25, then you write result colors dot orange, and we write else result colors dot red, return result. Now we open method build and create battery indicator. Return column children, then we write container decoration, write box decoration, write colors dot black, write border radius, write border radius dot only, write top left radius circular 5, and right top right radius circular 5. Write height 8, width 30, save. Then we write container and write height 154 and write width 80. Write decoration, write box decoration, and write border. Write border all and add width 4. Then we write border radius, write border radius circular 10, save, and we add parameter child, write battery level, if true we write image asset, write assets flash dot png, and we write column children, save, and need add image flash png. Then we add parameter main axis alignment, write main axis alignment and we write widget container, write height, and we write 30. Margin edge insets dot only, left 5, right 5, bottom 5. And now we write if, write battery level 90, add color add function color indicator battery, and we copy this widget. Now we update battery level 0, 25, 50, and now we add battery indicator to main.dart. Write child, write battery indicator, and add battery level. Save. Now we remove comments and write parameter debug show checked mode banner, write false. And now we open device and check our work. We get information and we add widget column, write main axis alignment center, write cross axis alignment and add widget center, update, remove a bar, open device, and we can update information about battery, battery level 10, 0, 70, 91, 28. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.